If you're looking for a modern boutique hotel in Houston that has an interesting story behind its name, then the C. Baldwin Hotel, which is a curio collection by Hilton, is your place. They have interesting restaurants with delicious food and plenty of inspiring quotes that go along with the theme of C. Baldwin. So, who was C. Baldwin and what is this hotel like? Well, that's what we're going to take a look at, and including a little story about the founding of the city of Houston. So let's get to it. So the city of Houston was founded by the Allen brothers, but in all reality, Augustus Allen's wife, Charlotte Baldwin Allen, was really the one who funded through inheritance and really did a lot of the work after her husband left her and went to Mexico, and she continued courageously working through the city and would sign with an X since women were not allowed to own land at the time. What would she say to
To wander
this?
wisely is to see the future where others only see mud. For every great journey begins with a single, purposeful step.
So Charlotte Baldwin is the mother of Houston, and that is what the hotel, this wonderful C. Baldwin Hotel, memorializes. Is the mother of Houston, a woman who worked tirelessly to make the city what it is today. So that she lived in the 1800s, so was during the founding times, so frontier times. Well, the hotel itself has a beautiful lobby that really kind of looks like you're, in a living room with a fireplace. So it feels like you're almost at home in this hotel. They once again have great quotes throughout that go with Charlotte Baldwin, as well as just inspiring in general. So it's a very inspirational hotel as well. It has a very nice lobby bar area, and just outside, you can also sit on the patio area right in the middle of downtown Houston. So, Rosalie Restaurant is their main restaurant that is there. We went there for breakfast and had a really nice breakfast there. The thing about this hotel that's also interesting in this restaurant is it also goes with a retro theme. It's like you've gone back to the 50s or 60s. So you look around in the bar area and you can see uh, movies from the 60s there. And the main dining area is no different. So we had a really nice breakfast, great service, great staff, and you look around the room and there's TVs and things of the like that look like they're from the 50s or 60s. So it's an interesting and very nice restaurant. They also have a very nice fitness center, as you see here, that looks out into downtown Houston. So plenty of great equipment. So let's look at some of the rooms that we have. And they have a very elegant hallways to the different rooms. We stayed in room 1730, which is a suite when we were there. So let's look into our room. Very, very nice accommodations. So, this is a living room area that comes with a very nice, and it kept our drinks very, very cold. So, worked really well refrigerator, and plenty of space for if you happen to have other people with you to just enjoy your time there. And it also, you have floor to ceiling windows, which is really great. You're in downtown Houston, so there's a lot of interesting things going on that you can watch from there. Yeah, plenty of storage as well. And you can see just the how you have plenty of windows to be able to view a very nice bathroom with a rain shower as well. So that made for a really nice, and they also have high quality soaps and other kind of items that you are shampoo and things like that. So really, really well done. So you can see if you're there for business and are in downtown Houston, you're right there in the middle. For us, we went to the Alley Theater in the theater district, which is not too far away, and made this kind of a staycation for us, which was wonderful. A really, really great place. We were up on the 17th floor, so when I went down, my and the other half of Pursuing Travel with the Millers, Donna, you can see her up there waving from the corner of our room. So we had a really nice vantage point from up there and only had about 3 floors above us. But we got a chance to see some of the other rooms as well, so we're going to take a look at those. But a couple of parting views, great bedding and amenities. The air conditioner worked very well. So it was just a really, really nice stay with wonderful staff as well. So that is the suite. So let's head to room 510, which is a double queen bed room. So taking a look at it, it's still floor to ceiling windows, so very nice. You have a view of the Allen Center, so hence the Allen Brothers Allen Center, and you have C. Baldwin in the middle of it. So the looking at this, you have a refrigerator here as well. Once again, these refrigerators here work very well from what we found. And just in general, some nice storage and just very nice. So it definitely has a boutique look to it and a boutique kind of decorations and everything, but very, very high quality. So room 509, looking at it, it's a king room. So taking a look at it, similar vibe as the other rooms, but once again, a very well furnished floor to ceiling windows, so you can take a look at the activities going on in downtown Houston. A small love seat kind of sofa that's there, and also has a refrigerator and a great bathroom area as well. So the hotel is a great place to stay if you're in Houston, and a place if you're going to the theater district or here for business or whatever you might need. If you want a boutique hotel that has a interesting storyline behind it, that with inspirational quotes, and like you can see on the elevators and all the other kind of areas, the C. Baldwin Hotel is for you, and we definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to help our channel grow, and contact us at ET Family Travel to book your next adventure.